What's up everybody, Honda Running here. Welcome back to another video. And if you guys haven't noticed, I haven't posted a video in a while. Things have been slow, and that's on my end, guys. I've had a lot of schoolwork and a lot of school things I had to deal with lately, but I'm gonna keep trying to pump out these videos. Things might slow down a little bit due to school and sports and my soccer starting up, but in this video we're gonna be going riding and it's gonna be pretty sick, guys, so stay tuned. And yeah, and here we go, guys. Let's go ride. And finally got all the stuff. Gonna hit the trails. It's gonna be a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Finally got the dirt bike started. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going for a ride and let's get it. Hopefully we don't run out of gas, because I was gonna check the gas, but not gonna lie, I realized we had no gas on my house, so it's like, you know, still gotta send it. And I went on like 3 rides without changing my gas, so yeah. But anyways, onto the trails. Well, this is an issue. Are you kidding me? Really? Oh my god, I'm trapped. Let's go, guys. Hopefully we're recharging our battery right now, because that died. I left my key on again after buying a new battery, so of course, you know, the battery's toast. Everything's dried up a little more this time. Actually, the quad has no gas either, so that's kind of an issue. Actually, I'm gonna go tell my brother I'm gonna go for a little ride here. You know when you're going riding with somebody and it's like, you know, you kind of want to take it easy if you're riding with your dad or somebody, but then as soon as you're by yourself, it's kind of just like, you know, full throttle the whole time. I feel like it's gonna be like one of those kind of moments. Plus I got my MX gear on, looking pretty fire. I don't really care. Yeah, let's go. Not much people ride back here, and I feel like there's gonna be a lot less people now that they put that kind of barricade trying to block us out. City trying to shut us down. Can't shut down the Honda riding squad. Let's go, baby. Guys, in the little intro I made at my house, I was trying to tell you guys about all the reasons why I haven't been posting and how things might slow down. So right now we're in the month of May, coming on to June, not too long. So I try to upload. Like, the summer is an awesome time to upload. Like, got plenty of riding footage, you know, we're always going out riding and stuff, going to my camp. By the way, I play like really competitive soccer too, so sometimes it's hard to get riding footage, but you know, we manage. Ooh. And so I was trying to tell you guys how I'm basically involved in every sport at my school right now. So I'm kind of busy trying to get that sport award, you know, but yeah, I'm gonna get it, working hard. So that's why the videos haven't been coming out every 3 days. Well, this is the first time I've missed an upload in a long time, so don't hate too much, but everything should go back on track pretty soon once I get my pedal bike back. Comment down below if you guys want to see some more dirt biking, ATVing, RCing, pedal biking. Like, comment down below what you guys want to see, because I'm always open to suggestions. Oh baby. Oh yeah. I mean, I was keeping up with that truck for a little bit. Ooh, that really gets the blood flowing right there. That's sketch. Oh, doo. I want to work on my wheeling, but there's not really anywhere to do that. I don't know how people wheelie these 150Fs. I just don't think I weigh enough. Oh, I just realized I forgot my gloves at my house. That's the one thing. I knew I was forgetting something. You know, you always forget that one thing. By the way, guys, it hurts like hell if you fall without gloves on, because then you get your hand all ripped up. That's why I always recommend wearing gloves, but gloves or no gloves, still got a full send it for the Honda riding squad. What's this? Like, what are you doing? Like, the city's really trying hard to shut us down now. Oh crap. I think it's because there's houses, they just built them up here. But whatever. Sometimes there's cops chilling down here, actually. Should we risk it for the biscuit? What are they gonna do? Actually, they're building houses here now. And they blocked it off with the dozer. Oh my. Yeah, what are you gonna do, dozer? That's what I thought. Jesus. City trying to block us off. I think it's because they want to build subdivisions back here. And it's just totally gonna ruin my riding spot, but we still got another one a little further down the road, actually, but whatever. We can still send it. Ooh. Beep boop. Oh crap. Almost oversent it there. Let me guess, guys, there's no such thing. Ooh. mud bogging now. We do it all on the Honda Riding YouTube channel. Whew. It's so rocky back here. That's one of the faults about this place. There's so much rocks just everywhere. Like, look up here. There's just a hill up here of just straight rocks. See? Just all rocks. It's pretty cool, but hurts if you fall. Guys, this is actually a pretty good place to end off the video. So if you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below what you thought about the video and all that good stuff. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to stay notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys for watching. Honda Riding out. See you guys next time. Peace. What's up, everybody? Just kidding.